Now when you come to the believers, what do you find? Those who believed and did righteous deeds, no therefore. You know why? No matter how much we believe, no matter how much righteous deeds we do, we don't earn Jannah. It's not a result of our good deeds. Why do we get Jannah? The mercy of Allah. It's not fa. The punishment is a result of the crime. But the rewards are not simply a result of our good deeds. Allah has to give a lot of rahmah, change our sayyi'at into hasanat, cover our sins. He does so much more for us. So if it was fa, it would be what you earned. I did exactly enough to earn Jannah. Nobody does enough to earn Jannah. On top of Allah taking one good deed, multiplying it by 10, multiplying one infaq, 1 penny by 700, right? He multiplies all of our good deeds, one jama'ah prayer by 27. Everything is multiplied. Even then it's not enough. Even then it's not enough. So Allah does not put a fa there because we don't earn the paradise. It's a gift from Allah. It's a mercy from Allah. Fa is what you deserved, what you earned as a consequence. So no doubt those who believed and worked righteous deeds, only they have jannat, gardens. The thing you should note, Jannatun tajri min tahtiha al-anhar comes up over and over and over and over again in the Quran. Allah mentions about, and you read the translation, gardens underneath which rivers flow. You've read this translation before, right? Gardens underneath which rivers flow. But there's so much more going on here. So Jannah is covered completely in beauty, in lush garden. And you don't own one property, you own multiple properties. Now, human beings, people live in America, Indonesia, Australia, Africa, all over the world. An average person with a small salary, they work their entire life. What do they want in the end? What are they saving money for? You ask anyone in the world, any religion, doesn't matter where they come from. What do they want? A home. And everybody who likes a home, whether you want to buy it or not, when you drive by a house that has a really nice front yard, and a big backyard, and a property, and beautiful trees covering and shade, you slow the car down and you say, wow, Allah is giving us what we want. Then on top of that, what you want is a waterside view. You look out your window, you should see waterfront property. Those are the most expensive properties, when you have water view. And the ultimately most expensive property, imagine you look outside your window and there's a waterfall. Wouldn't that be the most amazing? Okay, we're buying this place, right? Because that's what we see outside. Allah didn't just say anhar, tahtaha al-anhar, not just rivers. Tajri min tahtiha. Rivers are flowing. They're flowing. And the min here, min illustrates origin. So you imagine this house on a hill. And all around it are gardens, right? Every side, all of it is backyard. There's no front yard. All of it is your garden. And at the bottom of this hill is what? A river flowing. But the river's not just flowing, it's starting from there. Min tahtiha. From the bottom of these gardens is the beginning of the waterfall in the garden. Can you even imagine this scene?